Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a UPS up on Windows 11. I'll be doing this with an APC UPS, but the process will be similar for other UPSs as well. Before I go any further, I have this notepad file with some sample text in it. It hasn't been saved yet, as I want to show you that the system did hibernate as part of this demo. Now, to set up the UPS on Windows 11, you need to connect up the signal cable to a USB port on your PC, and the other end needs to go into the data port on the UPS. Once it is connected, you'll see the battery indicator appear in the bottom left of the taskbar. I'll click on it and it shows the UPS battery level in the bottom left. I'll click on that and it'll go to the power and battery settings. As you can see, the power mode for the system is set to balanced. Under battery usage, there's a graph that would show the battery usage over time. This one isn't populated as it's not had the UPS connector for long. I'll close that and open up Control Panel. Then I'll check the battery is showing up as a UPS by opening Device Manager and then expanding Batteries. As it has UPS in the name, it's showing up correctly. I'll close that down. Next, I'll open up Power Options. First, I'll create a new power plan. I did try using the balanced one, but it wouldn't hibernate for some reason. There's likely a setting in there that I need to tweak, but for the interests of this demo, I'll just create a new one. I'll select High Performance and then give it a name. Leave everything as it is and click Create. Once it's created, I'll click on Change Plan Settings and then change to Advanced Power Settings. Scroll to the bottom and expand Battery. Then I'll expand Low Battery Action, both of which should be set to do nothing. Leave those as they are, as they don't need to be changed. Low Battery Notifications should be on. Critical Battery Action will need to be set to hibernate or shut down for battery and do nothing for plugged in. Critical Battery Notifications should be on for both. Now, low battery level and critical battery level can be left as they are, but I would recommend changing these to higher values. The reason is that 5% might not offer enough runtime to hibernate or shut down the system gracefully. What I would go for is 40 to 50% on the low battery level. When that point is reached, you'll get a notification to say that the battery is low and you should plug your PC into mains power. The verbiage could do with some changes as this is a UPS rather than a laptop battery. For critical battery level, go for something like 20 to 30%. When this is reached, the PC will hibernate or shut down depending upon what was set. In my case, I set it to hibernate. When that is done, click OK and that's it, you're done. There is nothing further you need to do to configure the UPS. To give you an example of what will happen, I'll adjust the low battery level to 64% and the critical battery level to 60. I'll just go back to the battery settings again. You'll see the icon at the side of the percentage remaining indicates it's on mains power. Now, I'll turn the UPS off at the wall. Most UPSs will have an audible alarm on them. The icon will change to just be the battery. And now we just need to wait. I'll speed this part up just to save some time. There's the low power warning. I'll close that and speed up the video again. Just before it hibernated, it did drop to 57% and then hibernated after. I'll turn the UPS back on at the wall and then turn the PC back on. I'll just quickly log in. As you can see, there's the notepad document still open. I'll open the battery settings up again and it's shown as being on mains power. It will now be charging the battery up. How long that takes will depend on the size of your UPS. So I hope that was of use to you. If you got value from this, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.